Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the Leetcode question number 161, one edit distance. The question is given two strings s and t, return true if they are both one edit distance apart, otherwise return false. A string s is said to be one distance apart from a string t if you can insert one character into s to get t, or delete one character from s to get t, or replace one character in s with a different character to get t. We are given two examples in the question. In the first example, s is ab and t is acb. So if we insert c in s, we will get t. So s and t are one edit apart. Hence we are returning the output as true. In the second example, s is empty and t is also empty. So we cannot get t from s by doing one edit. Hence we are returning the output as false. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. We have three different scenarios. In the first scenario, let's assume s and t are of equal length. Let's assume our s is cat and t is cut. So this is one character apart. So s and t are one edit distance apart. So if you replace a with u, you will get t. If the lengths are equal, we will compare each character. First let's compare the first character. In both s and t we have c, and we will compare the next character. The difference is 1, and we will compare the next character. Both the characters are same. For the scenario with the length is equal, if the difference is 1, we will return true or we will return false. So the approach is compare each character one by one, return true if exactly one mismatch. The next scenario is s longer than t. Let's assume s is abc and t is ac. So if you delete b in s, we will get t. So both s and t are in one edit distance. In order to implement this, we will compare each character. We will start with the first character. In both s and t we have a. So there is a match. We will move on to the next character. We have b and c. There is a mismatch. If there is a mismatch, we will shift s by one character, and we will see if the remaining characters are same. In our case, we have only one remaining character, which is c. So both s and t are in one edit distance. So the approach is find the first mismatch. Once there is a mismatch, shift one character in s and check if the rest are matching. If the rest are matching, we will return true. The next scenario is s is shorter than t. Let's assume our s is ac and t is abc. So if you insert b in s, we will get t. So s and t are in one edit distance. In order to implement that, we will iterate from the first character. In both s and t, the first character is same. We will move on to the next character. There is a mismatch. So we will shift t by one character and we will check the remaining characters. In our case, in the remaining, we have only one character. Both s and t are matching. So we will return true. So the approach is find the first mismatch, skip one character in t and check if the rest matches. Return true if there is a match and return false if otherwise. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. As a first step, let's find the length of s and t. I am storing it in the variable length s and length t. Length s, length t equals to length of s, comma, length of t. If the absolute difference between length of s and length of t is greater than 1, we can immediately return false. The length of s and length of t can either be equal, or s can be greater than t by one character, or s can be less than t by one character. If absolute of length of s minus length of t is greater than 1, we can return false. First we will see the first scenario if length of S equals to length of T. If length of S equals to length of T, if both S and T are of equal length, there can be only one mismatch. So we will declare a counter to find the mismatches. Counter equals to, we will declare it to 0. Next, we will iterate either S or T because both are of same length. For I in range of length S, we will check each position in S and T. If S of I not equal to T of I, if there is a difference, we will increment the counter. Counter plus equals to 1. If counter is greater than 1, we can immediately return false. If counter greater than 1, return false. If not, we will return true. Return true. Let's assume if S equals to empty string and T equals to empty string, both S and T has the length 0. But in this case, S and T is not of one edit distance. So in this case, we have to return false. In order to do that, instead of returning true, I am going to return counter equals to 1. So if the counter is equal to 1, we return true. I hope it makes sense. Now let's see the next scenario. If S is smaller than T, L if length of S plus 1 equals to length T, we will iterate through the length of S because S is the shortest. For I in range of length of S, if S of I not equal to T of I, we will increment T by 1 character and we will check the remaining character of S and the remaining character of T. Return S of from I the remaining characters equals to T of I plus 1. From I plus 1 we will see the remaining characters. If all matched and there is one extra character in T, then also we have to return true. To handle that scenario, we will return true. Return true. And the third scenario is T is greater than S. If length of T plus 1 equals to length of S, that is if S is longer than T, we will iterate through T because T is the shortest and we will find the match in each character. If there is a mismatch, we will increment S. We will increment S by 1 and we will find the remaining character. For T, we will check from ith character. If all matched and there is one extra character at the end of S, we have to return true. In order to handle that scenario, we are returning true. If S and T doesn't fall into any of these three scenarios, we will return false. Return false. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. The solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I am sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I will see you in another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.